Introduction. This document provides an educational perspective on a complex legal and financial topic. It is designed to help readers understand the concepts and steps discussed. Note the inclusion of pauses for emphasis and clarity. This information is for educational purposes only. This is not legal or financial advice. We offer this information as it is presented to us. We neither endorse or discredit it. Make your own decision regarding the content. For additional resources or questions, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Background information. Understanding the concept of letters of credit, arbitration, and the structure of financial systems requires a foundational grasp of their definitions and applications. Letters of credit represent promises from financial institutions that serve as guarantees for payments. Arbitration, on the other hand, provides an alternative dispute resolution method outside traditional courts. Together, these elements form the backbone of many financial and legal transactions. Letters patent and sovereignty. Letters patent are official documents granting rights or privileges to individuals. Within this framework, they are considered a royal or governmental grant, often tied to the sovereignty of the land. These documents emphasize the importance of ownership and the rights afforded by such ownership, particularly in relation to financial claims and inheritance. Arbitration process. The arbitration process allows individuals to resolve disputes efficiently without the complexities of courtroom procedures. It is essential to recognize the distinctions between arbitration and traditional court systems, as arbitration often relies on predefined rules and agreements. Special deposits and certified mail. A key procedural step involves using certified mail for special deposits. This method ensures that documents are tracked and acknowledged, providing a reliable means of establishing proof of submission. Certified mail numbers serve as unique identifiers for these transactions, underscoring their validity. Revoking letters of credit. Revocation of letters of credit is a critical aspect of reclaiming financial autonomy. By invalidating previous commitments, individuals can re-establish their standing and redirect financial resources appropriately. This process involves submitting clear, written notifications to the relevant authorities. Conclusion. By understanding these concepts and processes, individuals can navigate the complexities of financial systems more effectively. The emphasis on ownership, documentation, and strategic communication ensures that participants maintain control over their financial and legal affairs. This information is for educational purposes only. This is not legal or financial advice. We offer this information as it is presented to us. We neither endorse or discredit it. Make your own decision regarding the content. For additional resources or questions, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Letters patent are official documents issued by a sovereign authority, government, or other granting body. They confer rights, privileges, or titles to individuals or entities. The term patent in this context comes from the Latin word patere, meaning to lie open, indicating that these documents are public records. Characteristics of letters patent. Open and public nature. Letters patent are designed to be open and accessible, serving as evidence of the grant or right bestowed. Unlike private agreements, they are intended to be transparent and available for public review. Issued by sovereign or governmental authority. Historically, monarchs, sovereigns, or governments issued letters patent to grant privileges such as land ownership, trade monopolies, or titles of nobility. Non-exclusive. While the rights granted are specific to the recipient, the letters themselves are not confidential. Their openness contrasts with letters close, which are private documents meant for the recipient's eyes only. Legal foundation. Letters patent have a strong legal standing, serving as authoritative evidence in disputes or claims regarding the rights they confer. Common applications of letters patent. Royal grants and titles. In monarchies, letters patent have been used to confer titles of nobility or other royal privileges. For example, granting the title of duke or baron. Land and property rights. Historically, letters patent were often used to grant land ownership, particularly in the context of colonization or settlement. Monopolies and intellectual property. In some contexts, letters patent have been used to grant exclusive rights to inventions or innovations, forming the historical basis of modern patents. Legal and financial claims. In financial and legal systems, letters patent can be tied to claims of sovereignty, ownership, or special privileges, such as access to treasury assets or hereditary rights. Importance in sovereignty and inheritance. Sovereignty, letters patent affirm the authority of the issuing body and establish the recipient's rights within the legal framework of the land. They can emphasize sovereignty by linking individuals or entities directly to the land, bypassing intermediaries. Inheritance, in the context of estates and hereditary claims, letters patent often serve as proof of lineage or entitlement. They ensure continuity of rights across generations. Modern-day relevance. Today, letters patent are less commonly used in their historical forms but remain significant in some legal and ceremonial contexts. For instance, intellectual property, the concept evolved into the modern patent system, granting exclusive rights to inventors. Governance, some governments still issue letters patent for special appointments, such as creating new peers in the UK. Understanding letters patent provides insight into their historical and legal importance, highlighting their role in shaping systems of ownership, authority, and privilege.